Student, in previous video we already discussed about the first unit, that is basic kinematics. It is from the subject mechanics of a machine. Now I would like to discuss about fourth chapter, that is balancing. Okay, in this video I would like to discuss about the introduction of balancing and its definition. Now let us to discuss about what is balancing. Balancing is the process of designing and modifying the machinery so that unbalance is reduced to an acceptable level, and if possible can eliminated entirely. Or you can say in another way of definition, that is the process of designing a machine in which unbalanced force is minimum. Okay, now in this video we can discuss about the two parts will be considered. Those are rotary and rotating and reciprocating parts. So these are the very important parts of high speed engine. Okay, and it should be completely balanced as far as possible, so if in case not properly balanced, the dynamic force will be set up. Okay, so not only the dynamic force increases the load on the bearing and introduce the stresses in the various member, but also produced unpleasant and dangerous vibration during machining operation. So I would like to show simple videos of animations like how to balancing the IC engines. In this video you can observe the balance of internal combustion engine. This is a two-stroke two-cylinder inline engine. Here we are going to discuss about the reciprocating motion of the connecting rod is converted into rotary motion of the crankshaft. Okay, so you can observe in two different color, that is red and blue. That red in color line, it indicates sum of force is equal to 0 and sum of mass is not equal to 0. For this is for a first cylinder, and for second cylinder sum of force is not equal to 0 and sum of mass is equal to 0. It is in blue color. And also you can observe another engine cylinder, that is 4-stroke 2-cylinder inline engine. And you can observe the force is not equal to 0 and mass is equal to 0 for in red color line, and for blue color line sum of force is not equal to 0 and sum of mass is equal to 0. And another 4-stroke 2-cylinder boxer engine. You can observe in red and blue color, sum of force is equal to 0, mass is not equal to 0, and force is not equal to 0 and mass is equal to 0. It is 4-stroke 4-cylinder inline engine. Okay, and in this force and mass both are equal to 0 for red color line, and for blue color line force is not equal to 0 and mass is equal to 0. This is 4-stroke 6-cylinder inline engine. Normally it is used in buses, trucks and heavy goods vehicles. Okay, so you can observe these two color lines, all the force and masses are equal. So in this video we are going to, we already discussed about how the engine powers are balancing the process of, that means the process of making fine adjustment to supplying the equal power from all the engine cylinder is known as power balancing, and it is carried out by making minor adjustment to fuel pumps of individual cylinder. The quantity of fuel injected in the cylinder plays is the most important role in power engine. Okay, so I hope you understand the engine power balancing.